Traders, welcome back to our price action trading lesson. We're looking at S&P 500 M&A futures. The time frame is 2000 tick chart. Right now the structure is big consolidation. The main trend is bearish, but we had overshoot which can generate stronger pullback in the opposite direction. This overshoot is quite big, but this was the main trend, so I don't want to go long just yet because this is the bigger pattern. Okay, this is the bigger pattern, so I don't want to reverse instantly, but at the same time I can't really sell because this correction was too strong. So this is pretty much a waiting area for me right now. Conflicting variables, the overshoot was too strong, so I can't really go long. At the same time, I can really sell. If we break below EMA, I could consider selling because there's the sign that the market right now is about to test the new low for the main downtrend. So our uptrend played out with the break new high. There was a decent lower high breakout pullback. Actually worked for like 21 ticks. Massive push down. The ATR is quite big. So you could have considered it was a little bit too fast. You have first entry long, second entry long failure, but the signal bar is bullish. If we're going to get bearish bar for second entry long, I would consider, because we have a one leg, broad break, second leg into bullish depletion. New high is made. So if we're going to break below EMA, I'm expecting prices right now to continue working lower because it is quite sideways. So I expect trends to be quickly, and I don't see the case to be made for wider channel. Okay, so I was about to enter, but the signal bar ended up weak. There's a tail at the bottom, so had it closed better, I would have entered this failed second entry long. Unfortunately, the signal bar is weak. So right now we have what I will call a no trade zone because we're just swinging up and down through the EMA. It's wedged. We are in the middle of the main trend range. So this is a structure I'm completely uninterested in trading. What I'm doing is I'm not even looking for setups. I'm just waiting for something to be established out of this horrible consolidation, because it is tempting to go both short and long at the same time. That's how you know the structure is unclear. I want clear structure. I'm no longer looking for new extreme. The overshoot reversed the market. The bottom of the trend range held because we're so far away from it. So I'm just following the most recent structure, but the most recent structure is very unclear. So this is important. You cannot be looking for setups in this consolidation. You want to trade clear structure. So you can see the structure is showing me bullish imbalance because every single major low is higher and higher. Downtrend played out with the break, pushed to new extreme, and instead of market going to the bottom of the trend range, we're back trending higher. There was a lower high that worked perfectly, but it was simply gigantic. There's no way to take it. The market never came back. So now definitely prices are working higher. It looks like there can be some bigger channel. Problem is I don't like drawing channels across the entire trend range, so it is a very weak version of the uptrend. Basically still bullish imbalance. Not that many setups so far. So I'm resuming the video after a while because it was a little bit too choppy. I don't see that many setups. We had a lot of conflicting variables, but now we have downtrend that has a break push to a new extreme. Massive push above EMA, so this is a sign that the uptrend needs to get new high. So now I'm feeling confident about the structure. Also, the wider channel fits well on 10,000 tick chart, so using the higher time frame can help you solidify the structure. So 2 legs down, push above EMA. So I'm looking for second entry long at the EMA because the main channel is new high, and this is giving me the main bullish bias. There was a decent lower high here, but I didn't take it because the main bias is bullish. But when the trend is super weak, like we have now, weak means strong pullback. It looks like a trend range tilted up. You know, the bearish corrections have high chance of success, so decent lower high, but hopefully we can get some high probability setup at the EMA. We had a second entry long that worked for very big scalp, so this was a winning trade, but because it was a quite neutral bar and the body wasn't full at the EMA, I didn't pull the trigger. I needed to see a little bit stronger bar. Also, the trend line can be drawn a little bit wider, so even though it ended up being a winning trade, I skipped this. So because we didn't test the new high fully, it's quite surprising, but we reversed down. I'm adapting to a brand new downtrend like this. So this is now the main focus. This is now the main pattern. Trend is down, so I'd like to see second entry short at the EMA. Alright traders, I just came back from my break. I missed a very nice second entry short. We have a clear downtrend working lower, new low, first entry short. Textbook second entry short, made the scalp, but the downtrend still needs to get new extreme. So I'm looking for, actually there's double top, so I'm looking for a low high confirmation setup of this second entry short. I was just about to sit down here, but it already made the scalp without me, so hopefully we can get lower high so I can still write it down to test the new extreme, because You can see the downtrend played out, uptrend break new high. Alright traders, I'm resuming the video as I just scalped the lower high confirmation setup. It happened so quickly I didn't even manage to record it because once I dropped my limit order we instantly hit the scalp. It scalped 8 ticks. We at least got the scalp, our first trade for the day. It's a shame I missed this setup. We're going a little bit sideways so you can see some small support, but at least we got the scalp here. Okay, so we formed small consolidation. I'm wondering why prices are not breaking this support. So I'm not looking to go short now. I still think we may test the new extreme, but we need to break out of this trading range, have some breakout pullback. Okay, we have a second entry long here, but I'm not going to take it because we massively spiked back below the EMA. This is significant spike. Also, this is a secondary channel. This is the first channel break and new high. So I need a little bit more confirmation because the secondary channel needs to be confirmed. So if we're going to get some confirmation, I could consider. But you can see this is a massive spike into EMA. It formed below EMA. And there can be also some wider downtrend. So you have to be careful about these wider channels. You need more confirmation because our first one played out with the break, pushed to a new high. So let's see if the secondary channel gets confirmed or not. So the high-low had terrible signal bar, so I can't take it. Okay traders, I deleted the secondary channel because it never got confirmed. So I'm playing the wider one using the very first 2 swings because the trend continues. Now we have 2-legged pullback down. So if we get a failed second entry short above the exponential moving average, I would consider because it would confirm that we may have some bigger uptrend and a brand new push phase is about to start. So I'm looking for failed second entry short above the EMA here. Alright traders, it's getting quite late, so I'm going to wrap it up with my one trade, lower high. So this is the structure for today. Very interesting day because we had a lot of price action, very volatile market, but very few good setups. It was pretty much a waiting day for me for the most part. Yesterday was an amazing day. We had like 8 to 10 high probability setups. So not every day can be the same. Unfortunately today there weren't that many setups. We can go and see how the market developed, but even in hindsight I don't really see that many trades. There was great high probability setup at the beginning. It was a little bit early before the open, but it was a great textbook high probability setup. Then this lower high breakout pullback is decent. It generated significant push. And then I don't see no good significant setup. This failed breakout is way too aggressive because when the break is so tiny, you can also draw trend just a little bit wider. So this is why I didn't take it. It's a little bit more aggressive. We can see the bullish imbalance. When the bullish imbalance is kicking in and you have weak uptrend, what you want to do is you don't want to buy at the very top. You want market to correct and you want to buy higher low or failed second entry short right when the correction phase is ending and the brand new push phase is starting. But today, no high low here, no high low here. So you can't really take advantage of this structure. Decent lower high confirming the second entry short. But once again, you would expect prices to test the new high. That didn't happen. Last attempt failed again. So this is the area where you expect right now the bulls to give up because they tried many times, they failed. Uptrend's not gonna get new high. The downtrend needs to get new low. There's a great second entry short. Overall, it's too big. The stop loss has to go above the bullish bar. So because it's a double bar entry, it's quite big. You can't really take it. If you have much better bar, this is a great setup. But on this chart, didn't form that great. We expect new extreme according to trend line rule. No lower high. You would expect lower high here. So no nothing. Just a long area waiting. No second entry long as well. So a lot of price action, but not that many good setups. Decent setups here, but once you can see the lower high scalped and bounce higher, you have to right now stop looking to go short because you're supposed to get new low. That's not happening. Uptrend working higher. No second entry long again. This was almost second entry long, but you have micro double top. Can't reset. And no failed second entry short here. No failed second entry short here again. Decent high low, but it's below EMA. So yeah. Not a great trading day. This week has been really great. I like trading this week. Today is the first day where it's really boring. That's just part of trading. But it's a little shame when you have so much price action, you really want to take advantage of it. But it is part of trading. I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you have a good trading day. I'm going to talk to you next time. Good luck in your trading.